Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my freebie advent calendar. Yes, throughout the month of December, from the 1st to the 25th, I'm going to be sharing every single day a December daily, and I'm going to share a free printable for you guys to download and enjoy. Free printable to use for junk journal, card making, any sort of papercraft project. The freebie is available to download on my Facebook group, so keep watching and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome to day number 5. Today, very special day, very special freebie. Freebie is this one. It's a lovely vintage page. It's a lovely background. I created using some ephemera, put some flowers on top and some dragonflies. Love. And I love the colors of this. I'm not really sure what you see on the screen, but in real life, this is a gorgeous ink color. It's like a really wine color, like a deep purple violet, and I love the contrast with this very cold green. It's more like it's not an olive green, but it's more like a cold, I can't describe, but like a dark cold green. I love how those two colors work together with the beige on the background. So this page here, your freebie, has been designed using one of the VIP free papers. So I have a subscription on my website, so you guys can join my VIP lounge. My VIP lounge is a subscription, so you can subscribe. You pay once, and you can subscribe for 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months. On each month, you get at least two. Sometimes it's 3, sometimes it's 4. So yes, loads and loads. Last month in November, there've been 4 digital papers. This month, 3. And you get 3 digital papers sent to your email address. So you don't need to do anything. You just need to open your email the very first day on each month, and you'll find a surprise from me. You also will receive a 20% nominated discount code that you guys can use across my website for the duration of your subscription. So if you subscribe, for example, for 3 months, you can use the 20% discount code for 3 months. You can treat yourself to any of my paper and you get it 20% off. Also, last but not least, every month there is a special promo for you. Can be a free kit, can be 1 free 3 for 2. Sometimes 1 kit you get half price. I tend to vary the offers, the monthly offers, every month, but and I'm so excited. I love the December paper. So for the month of December, all my VIP members get these 3 digital papers. One is called Llamas in Bloom, which is this one. I absolutely love it. Hope you guys love too. I have used 2 of my favorite colors, gold and a very deep it's not purple, but it's like a deep reddish pinkish color. Love. Let me show you the kit. So you got 1 page full of tags, a lovely background. It's more like an ink. Do you know when you play with your alcohol inks, you create this background. So that's the background, and I put some gold in there. I hope you can see them. And of course, I have to put these llamas in full of flowers. I absolutely love it. All these llamas are very sassy, just like myself. love. So you got lots of background. You got a page with 3 envelopes. So you got a scallop envelope and 2 traditional envelopes. Another plain background. I give you plain background so my VIP members can do anything they want. You can layer them, you can cut them, you can do anything. There are 2. Don't look at this because my printer is gone a bit mad, but your page will have a proper one. It's just because when I put the papers, I press it down, so it's a bit silly, but I still will use it. It's just missing a black line on top. So but you guys will get the proper one, so don't worry about this. So this is a combination of 2 pillow boxes. So one is different large one. So on each side of the pillow box you have the llama, and then a slightly smaller one plain, so you can embellish with anything that you want. I love this. Look at the gold. Look at the gold. And there is a cube gift box, so you just cut it and it looks like a cube, and this is the lid. Oh sorry, this is the lid. And then last page is another gift box, but it's a milk carton gift box. So when you make this up, it looks like this. So you got your 4 squares, your 4 sides. There's 2 triangles here, those 2, this one and this one. So what you simply do, I suggest print this on a thicker cardstock, and then you fold and vanish and pull this together. You can either glue the top, or like I do, I just put a little peg, so the person can just simply take the peg off. You can reuse the gift box. Okay, so that's the top, and of course those 2 are the bases. Okay, so this is kit number 1. Kit number 2 is called the Vintage Botanical. It's a beautiful mini kit, 4 pages, full of but like the title say, Antonio, Vintage Botanical. So this background flowers and dragonflies. Love these. So love this one. Love the colors. It works really, really well. So your freebie, which is this one, so you can download for free, is being designed from this kit. So it's not the same, but it's just very, very similar. So you can use that with that. And then the kit number 3 is this one. It's called Ladybird Lunacy. Oh, silly me. I love it. Love. In here I played with contrast of colors. So contrast of the ladybirds with the pink background and different backgrounds. So that's one. Love these. They're quite deep. This is probably my favorite page with the blacks. Again, full of backgrounds, because you guys can do what you want. There are 2 huge tags and the page with the mini tags. So, well, when I say mini, still, I think it's like 2.5 inches. So you get 5 similar, can't speak, 5 of the same sizes and 2 large ones on the bottom. And then you've got last page, which this is for journal making. So you've got secretary pockets. So you just simply fussy cut this, chop this, you can slide in your things, and 2 triangle side pocket, and for embellishment. So that's it, guys. If you wish to join my VIP memberships, I will put the links down below. 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. If you want to try it, I recommend the 3 months ones. It's the popular one, so you guys can have a feel of the different kits that you're gonna get every year. Let me show you on my website, on my Facebook group, where to find this freebie. Okay guys, so this is the homepage of my Facebook group. So it's not a page, it's the group, so feel free to follow the link. So once you are in the group, you need to, of course, on here you see all the chats and conversations and what myself and all the members have shared. On here, if you click on files, you see all the freebies that I have shared for a very long time. So please go and help yourself. So if you click on the 3 dots and you click on download, and now you will automatically download the freebie. Okay, so let's finish the video with a positive quote. I'm using my 365 Days of Calm. Is a lovely mini book full of quotes and affirmation. Today is day number 33. Be a peacemaker in everyday life. Display peace in everything you do. Be peace, live in peace. I love this. Don't forget, December is a very busy month. We're all running around, buy presents, buy foods, cooks, wrap. Don't forget to pause and enjoy the festive season. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a really huge big thumbs up. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube. Guys, if you also like it, please consider subscribe and click on notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. Guys, do you need some more ideas and inspiration? If the answer is yes, I put 2 videos on the screen now when we made 2 different projects for some fabulous crafting embellishments for your junk journal or card making. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until tomorrow, stay safe and well. Bye.